Hi everyone, it's Anna and Sarah with Belif.
We're back with our skincare school series to answer a question, which is, what is your InFlight skincare routine and what are some tips for your InFlight skincare routine?
Actually, flying can be terrible for your skin, especially because the drying atmosphere and air inside the plane can ruin your skin's protective moisture barrier, which help to keep bacteria out.
Yeah, and I feel like every time I fly, I pretty much am guaranteed to break out unless I do my skincare properly.
And my skin especially gets super dry and flaky, and I also tend to get a weird gray tone to it.
Since we often fly to the West Coast for Sephora meetings or Gen Beauty, we actually have a Sephora meeting next week. So we really have upgraded our skincare routines in order to protect our skin's moisture barrier while we're in flight.
Travel skincare is a must, and I love how super cute and adorable these mini travel size samples are. And today, all of the products we're showing you in our travel pouches, most of them can be found in the Belif Bestsellers On-The-Go Travel Kit. And the best part about this travel kit is that it comes with a reusable pouch that you may bring with you wherever you go on your travels.
Yeah, and we just redesigned it, so it has this whale design that has a little hydration spouting out of our little Aqua Bomb moisturizer. So I feel like it's a really fun new addition that we've added. So tip number 2 is to bring a hand sanitizer or sanitizing wipes. I have quite a large one here. I just like to make sure that I'm staying super hygienic on the flight.
And tip number 3 is bring cotton pads on flight. Even though I like to travel with my cleanser and cleansing herb water, cotton pads actually help to provide that extra cleansing step.
Yeah, I want to stay extra clean since I'm going through security and touching, a lot of different things, and there's a lot of people.
And for another tip, for that extra boost of hydration in flight, what I like to do is, with the cotton pads that I brought on the plane, I like to take any toner. This is the Bergamot Herbal Extract Toner, which can be found in the Belif Travel Kit. And all I do is spritz a little bit of the toner onto the cotton pad. And you can take, as however many as you like. I like to do 2 for my cheek area. And you can simply place them over your cheeks.
And you can leave them on for as long as you feel like you need, but generally it's about 5 to 10 minutes when you're leaving this toner mask on your face.
And if you have other dry areas on your face, like your forehead or nose or chin, feel free to add more. And you can, as Anna mentioned, leave them on for 5-10 minutes. And then once you've had this makeshift toner mask, you can just peel right off. And what I like to do is take the other side and just wipe my hands or my fingertips just to keep that squeaky clean feel.
And this is our next step, is moisturizer. But our tip is to mix with your moisturizer. So I have the Aqua Bomb, which is a lightweight gel cream that I love because I'm more of a combination skin type. You can see all the hydration in there with the texture, and I also like to mix it with the Hungarian water essence. So when you mix these 2 together, it provides that extra boost of hydration you need in flight.
And I tend to be more of the dry skin type, so I definitely prefer the more creamy and cushiony moisturizing balm in flight. And when I'm feeling extra dry, I like to take a little bit of the moisturizing balm and place it over my dry cuticles or even my elbows and the ends of my hair tips when they're feeling extra dry.
So once we finish with our moisturizer, my next favorite step is the sheet mask. Sheet masks are great because they provide a layer of hydration that's stuck to your face, and it really protects it from all the air conditioning that comes from your neighbors and the dry air.
And misting is also very great because it actually helps to add the hydration back into the air so the dry air doesn't pull the water and hydration level from your own skin.
Yeah, I feel really extra when I'm doing this step though.
But you don't have to ever feel embarrassed or ashamed because skincare is self-care and it's a very important step to keeping your skin healthy and happy.
Yeah, I used to feel really embarrassed when I did stuff like this, but now I just whip my pouch out and I'm just going at my face in the plane.
And we have no shame.
Yeah. Well, we hope this video was helpful for your InFlight skincare routine, and thanks so much for watching.
And feel free to let us know of any of your tips and tricks that you may like to do during your InFlight skincare routine. And if you have any other questions, please let us know below. Thank you. Bye.